Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Notifications and Status Bar. Following that, scroll down again and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from, like for example Chrome. As you can see, all notifications from this app are now off. If you were to turn them back on, just click on the same switcher. But you can also just tap on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!